everyone. Welcome to another video. This video is about Morman Rocks. We took this local trip during the pandemic because we were bored and wanted to get outside. This is a cool place to check out. You'll see a lot of people bringing off-road vehicles like Jeeps, quads, side-by-sides up there. So that's probably a good spot for you to kind of go locally. As far as other things to explore, there's the trains that kind of come between the canyons. It's a really good place to fly your drones, a lot of open space. You can also climb and hike around the rocks. A lot of rock climbers go there. Really cool place to check out. Down south here, we kind of got closer to the trains and we were able to smash pennies. And it was a good time. We didn't need 4x4, but yeah, just go out there and explore it and enjoy nature. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.
Checking out the Mormon Rocks. Got train tracks right next to it. It's pretty cool. Got some shots of the train. Now I'm gonna climb to this little peak right here. See if I can get a cool shot. Better than sitting at home during quarantine. You got both of them?
I got one, for sure.
So we smashed the pennies and this is what they look like. Can you hold it up? It doesn't even have a like imprint of anything anymore. Look. Oh my goodness. See it, babe. Flattened penny.
You guys have friendship pennies.
Flattened our pennies.
Your guys has gotten bigger.
Little penny and big penny. Yours is like a better shape though.
That big one? Mine looks like an Easter egg.
Yours is
Babe,
like-
is this